Warriors. Today, I would like to feature to you my Putumaya. Yes, Putumaya in Davao. Here it is. It's one of a kind of a kakanin. Welcome to my blog. I am your teacher blogger, retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Putumaya. You like this one? But I love most the white rice. This is my first time to have a taste of this type of rice. Look at this. Putumaya is here finally in my residence. I love this one. Putumaya. This is it. Sharing you moments in Davao City. Okay, let's have one taste of this. Let's try. Okay, just a moment. It is really good. Wow. So sarap. Manamit kid iya kung sa Ilonggo pa. Lami. Tignan mo yan. Let's try another one. Really it tastes good, especially if you have your milk, your coffee in the morning. Just eat. Kamabuhay, mag-warriors. Magmukbang tayo ng Putumaya. Kanami iti ya. Namet kita na iya. Love it. Join me as I feast on this Putumaya Tatak Davao. I love it. Some more. Super. Manamit kid iya. Mga kailonggo ko dira. Lami sa Cebuano. Berting lami ah. Putumaya. Some more? Wow. Really. Balik-balikan. Masarap. Manamit. Gid iya. Actually, now and then, may nagalibot diri sa Davao, sa subdivision. My very good friend, Marites. Marites Najera. Mabuhay Marites, my FB friend. So, promoting your Putumaya here. That's it. Aside from Putumaya, Tess or Marites Najera is also having this alupi. Puto sa dahon, puto cheese, and other kakanin. But my favorite one is the dahon, puto sa dahon in Davao, Tatak Davao. But this time. Actually, my first time to have this one. I tasted this one when I was in Pagadian City, Putumaya. Usually, the people there are drinking chocolate. Yeah, they're really partner of this Putumaya is chocolate. But I don't have Milo, I don't have chocolate for now. So, this is my breakfast on bed. The Putumaya. One Putumaya is already enough for breakfast. So, also rice. I think I'm already enough. I'm not good for mukbang as much as I am really controlling now my dietary intake nowadays. And as much as I really learned that it's really effective, we're going to control our dietary intake, our gastronomic. In the previous months and years, I used to have my rather very big belly fat, but this time it's already getting smaller and almost cannot be recognized sometimes. So this is my day in Davao City, just sharing you my life update today, my Putumaya portion, Putumaya. Thank you for watching, following me, to all my followers, subscribers, FB friends, everyone, viewers, and anyone on Facebook. Thank you so much for always giving also your comment, your feedback, or for sharing my posts. Thank you so much. My day in Davao City. Putumaya version. So, this is the Putumaya version. Thank you. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life. Mabuhay. If there's no picture or video, it did not happen. Remember that. What you have done is not excellent. It's not nothing. You have done nothing. God is good all the time. Stress is not the #1 killer. No, it's not. It's your feedback. It's how you assess the situation. So, feedback and reaction matters. Enjoy life. It won't matter anymore for 100 years from now. This is my day in Davao City, featuring my Putumaya, the day of Putumaya. Until my next vlog, thank you everyone. I am your teacher vlogger, celebrating Happy World Teachers Month here in Davao City. Happy Teachers Day to everyone, and Happy Teachers Month. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. You, lonely, good person, good life, good person, and you. Mabuhay, kamabuhayers, kamabuhay. Until my next vlog, signing off, retired teacher, Teacher Bean, Erlinda Bean, Basilio Rindon, featuring my Putumaya version of the day. Mabuhay!